Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hope everybody slept okay last night. I'm hearing about some news that went down last night around Asian session that had everybody eating, catching pips. I missed all the fun last night. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I missed you guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Look at all the energy in the chat. Look at you guys. Good morning, you guys. Charlene is top tier. So are you. So are you. Are you ready to drop some gems for us? The question is, are y'all ready? I'm ready any time of the day. Any time of the day. It's a beautiful, blessed Wednesday. We thank God every morning for us waking up, because some people did not. Look around, appreciate our blessings, and let's do something today. All right. So 7:15, about to get cracking. 322 people on, nice and early. Let's get them likes up, if that's all right with you guys. Or you guys can wait till we get a win. I mean, a win is coming, right? Because we wake up every day positive, ready for a win, right? So you can do it now, you can do it later. Either way, the win is coming. So let's get ready here. And please let me know if the music is too loud, guys. You guys know I need your help with that, because I can't gauge how it sounds on the opposite end. So so just let me know if the sound is okay. If it's too low, if it's too loud, all that good stuff. Let me know. All right. So first things first. Oof. Yeah, we got some action at 8:30. All right. We got some action on the news front today at 8:30. So we got to be prepared for that. God, I keep forgetting to do this, man. I don't know. My memory is trash, guys. I keep forgetting to transfer over my news folder over here. So I always have to check my laptop. So let's see if this news is something to be concerned about. Sounds okay, music is okay. All right, perfect. The background music is in the background. ... Yes. We don't need a win to deserve it. To give a like. You deserve it anytime. Thank you. Thank you. If you can lower the music a little bit, I absolutely can. Charlene, can you upload the podcast on YouTube, the one you posted on Instagram? Yes, I recorded it yesterday. I did it yesterday, so it will be on YouTube once it's edited and done. You guys are gonna catch the whole thing. I gave you guys a clip of it yesterday, but we're gonna You're gonna be able to watch the whole thing when it comes out. So when it comes out, I will definitely let you guys know. All right, so 8:30. Okay, so yeah, this news is not to be played with today. AKA, we're not trading news. I'm not trading news. You guys can, but not me. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see today. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for the podcast. You are great. You're welcome. All right, so let's get going here. Let me open up my MT4 before I forget. I always forget to open it. Yes. We're going heavy this week, right? Going heavy on the lots. Gonna try to really step it up. All right. Alrighty. All right, great. Let's start with gold. Let's start with gold. What is this? Oh, I had to refresh. Okay. All right. So gold made some moves yesterday, looks like. So we caught these buys yesterday. So we caught these really nice buys, and price actually hit our TP, our overall TP, right? We had this blue line as our negative 27%, and price fell from there, and it continued to fall, creating a new low, breaking my zone from yesterday. Remember this zone I had marked up yesterday? It broke the zone. It looks like it retested this area down here and then pushed up. So we still respected this area here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start fresh because it is a new day. So I'm just gonna mark this area off right here, and then we're gonna go to the daily, just so I can get a good idea of what's happening here. So we're bullish. We're still bullish on gold, guys. Nothing has changed. We're still bullish. Let me come down, mark off my daily highs and lows here. Okay. So my bias currently is still bullish. Oh, someone yesterday was asking me for something. Give me 1 second, guys. Anchor text. Okay. Someone yesterday was saying that when they're watching on a smaller screen, so they can't really see. So every pair that I'm looking at now, I'm just gonna put. Oh, my face is there, so I can't put that there. I'll put it right there. Okay. All right. So we're trading gold. All right. So we're bullish. The price already made a low, so we're looking for buys. The sucky thing is, we have already tapped this daily high here. So we're looking for buys anyway. We rejected strong and pushed back up. So all that move down was creating a bottom wick for today's candle. That move yesterday was all that was. All right. All of this that took place yesterday, this big dip here, that's the bottom wick on the daily candle. All right, and now it's pushing up to create the body, and hopefully we can continue up here. So we have a lot of room to play with here. The messed up part is the move really took off at 1 o'clock in the morning. This was the entry down here. So now we either have to wait for price to come down to retest some sort of support, create some sort of support to validate the buys to continue, or we could be looking for a trade, looking to trade the actual retracement if there is one. So, all right, so let's go back here to the 4 hour. So so on the 4 hour time frame, looks very similar to the daily. Super clean, high, low, and now high being formed. There's really nothing else going on up here, so I really don't anticipate price not going bullish. I would like to see this come down a little bit more, maybe come down to about like here, which is about 100 pips or so, to retest this bullish move here for us to continue up. So I swear to God, my upstairs neighbors, man, I can't, man. I can't. I need to hurry up and buy this freaking house so I can get out of here, because I just want to punch my neighbor in the face. Always, every single morning, making all this freaking noise. Can't even focus right now. Anyway. Okay, so it's a tough area. It's a tough area, guys, because we're in the middle of the desert, no man's land. Okay, there's really nothing happening here. This could very well just continue pushing and not give us a real entry opportunity. We have a level of support that was formed right here, but this has already moved. This has already taken off from 5:30 this morning. So Asian session last night, London session this morning, a lot of action going on, and there's going to be more at 8:30 when news drops for the New York session. So today, I don't know about catching a move today. We might have to wait until after news, maybe, to see what the market gives us. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I mean, this area is not bad either, because see, we broke above this area here. We even broke above this area here. We're kind of at that level right now on the 15-minute. But I really wouldn't make it. I would make it more of this area here, because we even retested it after we broke. It was a weak break, but we still pushed up. So, I mean, we could have an entry area around here maybe, or even maybe down here. That's the thing. You don't really know where price is gonna retrace from. Yeah. 30-minute. Yeah, guys. Not much in the ways of a setup. Not much in the ways of a setup, because it's tough. It's tough right now. Even where price is now, we are about 60 pips away from a reasonable stop loss, which is massive. All right, so gold pretty much took off without us. No real entry opportunities right now on gold. So we'll see if something presents itself, but for now, no, nothing there. All right, so let's look at AU here. All right. AU bullish still. support here. We pushed up. Sorry guys, I'm so irritated right now. So irritated. Fucking asshole. Bullish engulfing. Retest. We found support on the daily and we pushed up. Found support and we pushed up. We're bullish right now. Motherfucker! God damn, man. Alright, 4 hour. Alright, so on the 4 hour time frame, we found support. Price is pushing. So same thing on AU, guys. No real setups in terms of entries. The bias is for buys. Freaking losing my train of thought here. The bias is for buys. And there's no entry right now. There's no entry. Even on the 4 hour, I can tell. We created a level of demand down here. Not much of a retest, but can we anticipate a pullback to test it? Yes. But currently right now, I mean, look at this shit. Let me see this on the 4 hour. What the hell? Oh, okay. So it's this area right here. Yeah. Okay. This is iffy here. Wow, look at this test of this wick here. Almost tapped. So I'm assuming the market is looking ugly like this because of the news that's coming out. That's what I'm thinking right now, because this is awful. This is awful structure. I mean, prices pushing up, consolidate. We pushed up, consolidate. We didn't retest these lows here. Price wicking up, wicking out. So right now, guys, nothing. Nothing right now. What a Wednesday. What a Wednesday. So nothing right now. The bias is for buys on AU. Okay. AU. Buy. So not much in terms of entries. Okay. Alright, let's do GU and we'll do US30 last. US30 upset me yesterday, guys, because it literally moved right after we ended the stream. Like right after. I'm like, another 30 minutes we would have been looking at it, we would have caught something. And we missed out yesterday. That was my fault. We should have stayed on a little bit longer. So that's on me. But you know, the thing about US30 is I don't really find setups on it every day. I have to wait and let it really play out so I can have some data to like break down. And when the moves come, you have to like be ready for it. So yeah, the music is loud. What the hell? Your volume is loud. This is not loud at all. They saying loud. Is the music loud, y'all let me know. I don't think it's loud at all, but I could be wrong. Anyway, so bullish push here, retest. Everything is flying. Everything is flying right now. Everything is bullish. And it looks like it's finishing off what it did last night, because it's not giving us any opportunities at this point to enter any kind of trade. Look how high up this is. This took off at 1 o'clock in the morning, and it's been lingering here ever since. Okay, music is not loud. Okay, maybe that was a delayed response or something. But anyway, guys, nothing right now. Today is going to be a bit of it's going to test our patience today. That's what that's what the market is going to do, because we do not have any entry opportunities whatsoever right now. This is excellent market structure on the 30-minute, but I'm seeing a retracement on GU. I'm seeing a retracement because from down here to where price is now, 200 pips away. 200 pips away. So no setups, guys, right now. Everything is bullish. The only pair here I could see that could give us something is maybe GU for a retracement down to this area. For price to fly. That's the only setup I'm seeing right now. Nothing on AU. Look at what US30 did. Look at this. This was at 9:30, guys. What time did we end the stream? Like 9:45-ish, something like that. Unbelievable. This just dropped on us, beautiful retest, and just melted. Just melted. It doesn't get any cleaner than this, guys. It really doesn't. And all this markup, it was a one-on-one that I did yesterday on US30, so that's why you guys are seeing all this stuff on here. So I was looking for buys yesterday, guys. Remember, I was looking for buys. I was in the buys earlier on Monday, and price stopped me out. But I was looking for price to hold this area. I was waiting for some sort of bullish confirmation to look for the buys, and it didn't happen. Buys above this area, and I had the zone marked off here, and I was looking for the sell below that area. And I missed it. So the thing about it is, obviously, it looks like US30 likes to take off around New York session, basically. So I may have to extend my trading time a little to see if US30 is gonna move, so I can find a setup there. So yeah. So I'm gonna look at it with a clear naked chart here. I love to look at US30 in its original state. Okay, so this level is still very valid. This level right here, still valid. I would love to see this come down. That's what I would like to see, but knowing US30 in all its glory, we could push up to retest these highs and then come down. We could come up, push up nice and strong, and leave a nice long wick, and whoosh, come on down for news. We will see. All right, we shall see. But in the meantime, guys, today is going to be a patience testing day. I don't even need to drop down to the lower time frames because ain't no entry right now. Lower time frames are nothing but for entries. Everything, all your now analyzing should be done on the higher time frames, on your daily 4 hour, max 1 hour. Then you drop down to your 15 and your 30 or your 5 minute looking for your entries. Okay. Where would have been your entry for US30? Nowhere here. Oh, for the sell, you mean? For the sell, it would have been right there. Because if you guys remember, I had a level marked off here. This is where my level was, and I was looking for buys above this area. Above this area. What day was that? Monday, yeah. Monday I was in buys. Price came here. Price, remember, all this wasn't here. All of this was not there. Price was above this area here. So I wanted to see price holding this area. So I had a buy limit position sitting right there. Price was up here somewhere. I wanted price to come down to tap this area, which it did. And then it activated my order and I was in for the buys. I was anticipating something like that, right? Price made a high. We tried the low. We tested this area. We pushed above. As long as we held these highs, I'm looking for price to respect this support and take off. But it did not do that. It continued to test. I got stopped out because I had my stops in profit. I got stopped out price, but my buys was still the same. It was still looking for the buy. It just wasn't ready to take off yet. So I was just waiting for price to take off. And it lingered. And then when we got off the stream yesterday, it did that. Price did this. If I had seen this happening and this candle push up bullish, reject as hard as it did, and come back and close here, next I'm looking for an entry. I'm looking for the sell entry for shorts right around there. Stops right above these highs, nice and tight, and TPs are going to be right around these lows here where price had previously rejected from. That's pretty much the analysis there. And then you're looking for some sort of a pullback of this area because this area is still valid. Price could come back and keep on tapping this area. We could just be creating a range inside this area here for price to continue retesting. It hasn't done it yet. So what it did was it created another level right around here. I'm adjusting my zones. And here we are now. So what I'm anticipating is for price to retest right around there. So I'm looking for price to come up, tap, and come on down. So something like this. Ooh, boop, 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 boop. That's what I'm looking for on US30. Is it gonna happen? We're gonna find out. So that's that. All right, guys. So today's a waiting game. We'll see if GU is gonna give us something here. Let's look at the 15-minute real quick. We are inside this area that we just tapped, that I marked off, which is a supply area from way back then that had not been retested. So could this be the retest of that area for price to come down, and tap this area? Could be. How much of a range is this? This is a 75 pip range. More than enough range to catch some sort of a setup. On the 5-minute, it does look a little bit cleaner. On the 5, we have a rejections here. Right? Boom, 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 boom. I mean, we're breaking supports or respecting highs, right? So if we're looking at market structure, boom, 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 boom. And that's that. So right now, the only kind of probable setup would be GU. Because we're bullish, can we look for sells? I don't know. We'll see. AU nothing. Gold nada. So let's keep our eye on GU since GU has the best setup here. We may have to wait till afternoons. We'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. So. I have not begun going through the applications for the private live trade sessions, guys. So just be patient, please. Everybody will get a response. Either you will get an approval email or you will get a denial email. So just be patient with that. Just have to drop this in the group from my signals, guys. Give me 1 second. Guys, I'm almost tempted to take these US30 buys here. Only because I'm seeing that we made a high, we retested it, this area here, we pushed up, tapped, and price rejected this area again. We held this area here, we held it here, and we're holding it here. These are all 4-hour candles. This candle closed down here, gapped up, and we're holding this area here. This, let me see something here. Look at how we tapped the 61 here. And we tapped the 50, and now we're holding 50%. We're holding the 50% retracement level here. I feel like US30 wants to go bullish, because if you guys look closely here, you'll see based off the candle bodies, price retraced. This could have been just a pullback to test this area here. We closed bearish here, we closed bullish, we wicked up, we left a retest support here. As long as price holds this support area here, this should go bullish. Should go bullish. I'm really looking at buys on US30. Even with news, I'm looking at buys on US30. Yeah, it's in line. Look at trend line is on point. It's holding the 50. We retested the 61. We're still bullish. God damn it. I'm looking at buys for US30. I'm looking for buys. Yeah. I'm looking for buys. I might even take a couple of entries here, because the move pretty much started already. We see this 4-hour candle. See how price held support, reject, held support, closed bearish, but this candle already broke these highs. So it's looking like the move is already moving here. It's already taken off. Like this was the entry here, right? We created a low, higher low, tested the higher low, and now we're finally breaking above. News might give us that little push that we need. Oh man, I just don't want to enter at this high here, and then price could come down and keep on testing this area, because it may not be ready to push. See how we pushed up strong with this one and we wicked out, and then we came back and we just kept testing here. So this was London session last night. That could be why. 7 o'clock. Guys, I feel like buys on US30. I don't know about you guys. I feel like buys on US30. I'm gonna take some entries. I'm gonna take some entries here, and I'm gonna see. We're gonna see, because yeah. Three, 3, 9, 8, 7. So I took buys on US30, guys. 33987. Hopefully with news we don't get anything crazy, but we'll see. Now, technically, guys, this is not the ideal entry you want to take. I can anticipate some level of pullback, but I feel like, you know, it's 8 o'clock, 8:30 news. I don't know. We'll see. This is a risky entry. It's a risky entry. I'll say that. But I'm learning. I'm learning US30. You know, you can't be scared to execute on things that you see. If it's one thing I'm not, is scared to execute on my analysis. So we're sitting in a good area right now because this is a nice little order block area here. We're holding the fibs level there. This would be an excellent place to get in for an entry to ride it up. I mean, you can't always get the best entry, right? Best entry would have been down here, but you can't always get that. So I'm okay with this trade. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. 337. Look at GU pulling back nicely, coming back to the top of this area here, testing these highs again. Potentially come down. US30 and gold. So we're in a trade on US. I'm gonna put that first. GU is a pretty nice setup here. Gold. AU is the ugliest one here. I have a feeling gold is just gonna fly. I don't even think it's gonna come back to test. I think it's just gonna fly. I really do. I think gold is gonna just take off, especially with news. So we'll see. We will see. All right, so let me answer this chat a little bit here. I know I missed a lot of stuff here. All right. When are you moving out? Trying to look for a place now. Keep losing out on deals because people are buying up things quickly. And then I'm being told, oh, you should wait. The market is trash right now. You should wait. I don't know. It's a lot. I do want to move though. I do really want to buy something and be done with it. Maybe you shouldn't trade today. Why? Because my neighbors are getting on my nerves. I get over things quickly. Stay with us, Charlene. Haha. Gold is settling between the weekly high and low. Gold shorts. Good morning, Charlene. Curious to know your process when backtesting your beginning stages. Were you keeping a journal? Is there anything you would recommend? A trading journal? Was I doing that? Is that your question, Ramona? In the beginning, no. In the beginning, I wasn't journaling, but that's because I wasn't ever told I needed to be journaling. When I was told by my mentor that I need to be journaling, that's when I started journaling. So the more you know, the better you do. So in the beginning, no. I don't think I started journaling until like 2 years into trading. When I was taught how to journal. Because you can tell someone to journal, but if you don't tell them how and what to do, it's tough. So at what balance did you feel comfortable placing one lots consistently? Guys, I was placing one lots on like $2,000 accounts, $2,000-$3,000 accounts, because remember, I'm scalping. I'm only catching 10, 12, max 15 pips. In the beginning, when I started using standards, I was only getting 10 pips. Once I got 10 pips, guys, I closed. Once that number said $100, I closed. And yes, sometimes I had 2 orders open or 3. I wasn't scalping in the beginning though. When I first started, I wasn't scalping. I wasn't stacking in the beginning. So I didn't start stacking until I felt consistent that I can catch 10 pips consistently. Then I said, okay, if I can be okay to hold for 10 pips, I could hold more than 1 order. But I was a risk taker, guys. I was dropping. You're not technically supposed to be dropping standards until you have at least 3, 4, 5,000 in your account, something like that. But I was going for the gusto. So your neighbors are watching your YouTube doing technical analysis too. I doubt it. My neighbors are assholes. Iffy, gotta let the news play out. Yeah, we gotta let the news play out right now, guys. We gotta let the news play out. Lots of gaps that need to be filled. I don't trade news gaps, so I don't trade news gaps. Which news is coming out? You gotta look at Forex Factory. Look at Forex Factory. You can do without the music. You're articulate. Yeah, but it's boring, especially when there's silence. I feel the need to constantly speak so you guys don't fall asleep, over there. So, I just don't want it to be boring, that's all. The music is almost as depressing as my portfolio this week. I don't think it's depressing. I think this music is soothing. I don't think it's depressing at all. But then again, I listen to everything. I listen to everything, guys. Favorite singer is Celine Dion / Whitney Houston. It's a tie between those two. I listen to Yanni. I listen to Coldplay. I listen to Daughtry. I listen to Pavarotti. I love Pavarotti. I listen to everything. And then you have, you know, your hip hop, your R&B, rap and stuff. I listen to all that stuff. So depending on what mood I'm in is what I play. A lot of the stuff I want to play, I can't play because of copyright. But if I'm trading by myself, guys, I'm listening to all types of stuff. But this music, soothing, calming, you know, music you can just kind of vibe to. I mean, you can't beat that. So. I caught that sell on US30s. I saw divergence and it was at a key level. Beautiful. Beautiful. What if we purchase the course and the live trading course and don't get picked? Audria, my course students, all who applied for the live trading will get picked because I put them as preference first. My students always will get preference for anything. So first of all, having my course doesn't mean anything. That's just the course. You just, because you're my student and you have my course, you just get preference. But if you're my student, you most likely will get picked because I put my students first always. But if you're not my student, then I have to read your application to see if, you know, I want to put you in it. But other than that, that's it. So if you're my student, you most likely, you absolutely will be picked for the live trading, the private live trading on January 30th. They know that already. My students are my babies. I gotta take care of them. So. GU retracement is playing out. Yeah, it is. Yep. Gold is pumping away here. Let me see what gold is doing. Keep my eye on gold there. All right. I'm just reading the chat, guys. I'm just reading the chat. So, trying to get to the questions that I missed. Charlene, be strong for us. We love you. Nah, guys, I'm not gonna let my neighbors mess up my day. I might get a little agitated about that, but I'm not letting one thing mess up my whole day. Come on, guys. It's quiet now. They left. They went to work, went to school, whatever they had to do. They're gone now, so it's quiet now. It won't go crazy again until they get home today later on today, and I'll have to lose my shit again. Guys, the title of the live stream says live stream New York session, whatever day of the year it is, and it says gold, AU, GU, and US30. Those are the only pairs that I trade. So I will not be looking at NZD, JPY. I won't be looking at EU. I won't be looking at any other pair except what I trade. I'm very sorry, but I cannot be looking at a million different pairs every day. Okay? So, sorry. I had that same level yesterday, saw the sell, and we missed it. Yeah. Yeah, that we missed a nice move on US30 yesterday, guys. But guess what? We'll be all right. We're gonna catch another one. Another setup is coming. Trust me. I love your teaching style. Very cut and dry. Actually, I can follow what you're doing. Thank you, Francesca. Thank you. I did a one-on-one yesterday with this gentleman, and I told him that, you know, people are feeling some type of way about the way I talk on the live stream and the way I answer, you know, the questions that I get. Some of them get aggravating, you know, repetitive, all that kind of stuff. And this guy was like, Charlene, do not change how you are. You're not mean or rude, you're just direct. So stay how you are, because a lot of us on here are loving it. We're learning, we're making money with you. You're doing God's work right now. And if a few people want to get butthurt because of a little bit of bluntness, that's on them. We're all grown adults. We all are choosing to be on the live session. So don't change how you are. Keep doing what you're doing, because you're helping a lot of people. And that really meant a lot to me to hear that from him. So I'm gonna try to tone it down a little. If I see something retarded in the chat, I just will scroll right on past it. I'm not gonna even address it. I'm gonna help the people that actually want my help and ask, you know, smart questions, and then we'll go from there. And I'll begin to take heed that the YouTube stream and chat are a little bit delayed. So if people ask repetitive questions, maybe it's because I missed it, or, you know, they didn't hear it the first time around, they came in late, whatever the case. All right, guys, so bear with me, all right? Work with me, I'll work with you. All right, cool. How do you deal with the entries that aren't in session? I closed gold buys at 1898 because of the time, but that was my projected entry. You have to set, I would set an alert. But if it's outside your trading time, then it's outside your trading time. You have to stick to your rules, stick to your discipline. If something is outside of your trading time, you just can't take it. That's it. You know? Otherwise, if you feel like you have to, you know, be there for the move, then I would say to set up an alert. TradingView has alerts. Set it up. It'll notify you on your phone. Hey, price is over here. Price is over here. What do you want to do? And then you can go over to your computer and, you know, or on your phone, whatever, and execute on your entry. That's the best advice I can give on that. You're either going to do one of two things. You're going to stick to your discipline and just trade during the time you trade, and you find an entry then, or set an alert and look for your trade there. What do you check to see if the news is going to be volatile? You check Forex Factory. If the folder is red, it's high impact. If it's yellow, it's low impact. If it's orange, it's medium impact. Yellow and orange, you don't really have to worry about much. They don't really move the markets at all. But the red folders, yes. And sometimes you're going to have red folders that don't do anything to the market. Just, that's what it is. So I wouldn't, you know, take a note of the news. So what I started doing, because sometimes news would drop, right? And I'd be like, oh, it's a red folder. How come the market didn't move? It didn't do much of anything. And then I'd be like, damn, like it was a red folder, but it didn't do anything. So what I started doing, and I was not taking moves, not taking setups, because of the anticipation that news is dropping. So I can't take it because the market's going to do some crazy nonsense. So what I started doing was I started noting everything. Every news event that came out, I would copy, paste into a file, mark off the time that it was going to drop, and I would keep a record of it. And then the same news comes out same time every year, same time every week, every month, whatever it is. So I started keeping a note of that. And now, you know, whenever I come here and I see if there's news from my trading session, I'll go over to that file and I'll go over to the 8:30 side, go look down 8:30, because most news for New York comes out around 8:30. And I'll look and I'll say, oh, core PP, core retail sales, and I'll say to myself, oh, is this volatile? Is it not volatile? So what happens? So I have the time, the name of the news event, and volatile or not volatile. And that's how I keep a log of it. And when I checked this morning, volatile news. And I don't even put like just volatile. I'll put volatile, up and down movement. like for NFP. But for this news, it said volatile, sharp move in one direction. So I'm expecting when the news drops here in, I don't know, 15 minutes, 18 minutes or so, the market is gonna shoot, usually just shoot in one direction sharply. So that's what I'm expecting for this news to do, because that's what it did the last time and the time before that. Oh, so we'll see. All right, but that's how you keep a track of news. All right, there's other websites that you can look at. That tell you, those of you that trade fundamental analysis. There's plenty of other stuff you can look at that give you news pushes. But for me, I prefer to just keep it simple, right, and use Forex Factory. So, I would have entered like a fool already. Your patience is golden. Yeah, the more experience you have, the better your discipline is going to be. I'm new here. Where did you get that hoodie? I got this hoodie from Mr. Swaggy C. Go to his YouTube channel, his Instagram page, and that's where I got it from. Okay, Mr. Swaggy C TV, right? Christopher Swaggy C Williams. I went over to his website and I ordered myself a yellow hoodie. So look at his daughter. Isn't she just, oh my gosh, she looks like a beautiful little porcelain doll. Like, she's just perfect. Look at those beautiful eyes. She has those fat chunky cheeks. You just want to eat her up. She's so adorable, that little girl. And then they named her Alora. That's just a beautiful name. Like, just beautiful. Just beautiful. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Beautiful little baby girl. Very beautiful. But yeah, this is where I got my hoodie from. I buy merch from just about every other trader out there. I like to support. I like to, give back. And if the apparel is dope, I'm getting it. I think this is a dope hoodie. I love hoodies. I have a closet full, and it's a dope hoodie. And the right day trader writing, it looks cool, bright, stands out, and it's really good quality. I've washed it like, I don't even know, like maybe 4 times since I've gotten it, and it's like brand new, So when it's good quality, it's good design, catchy stuff that stands out, I'm gonna support. I'm gonna go cop me one. Right? I got all of Q Banks' hats here. I have the Life Be Bullish t-shirts. What else do I have? I have Ryan My Life Real Quick's Forever and Profit hat. I have the Top Tier Trader, Top Tier Shit Only shirts. All that stuff. I am a trader for life, so I live, breathe, and sleep trading. So, yeah. All right, guys. And then, if you don't know, which you should know, here we are with my page, and I'm almost at 30,000 followers, guys. Almost there. So close. Almost there. All right. So gold is taking off here. Gold, we have news dropping in about 14 minutes. 14 minutes, we should get some action here. Look at AU trying to come up, trying to creep up there. I feel like everything's bullish. I feel like AU bullish, gold bullish, GU could continue bullish here if it doesn't retrace. If it breaks this high here, we could continue up here if we don't get that retracement. And then US30, I feel like we're going to be bullish on US30 as well. Keep my eye on gold for now. What if we enter and don't get chosen? I already addressed that, my dear. If you're my student, you will, and if you apply for the private session, You get a chance. But if you're my student, consider yourself in. But if you're not, you'll get an email. Yes, you were approved. No, sorry, you were denied. Okay. How do you apply? It's in the chat. It's pinned to the chat. Pinned to the chat. Hey Charlene, can you check out UJ or EJ? There is a potential opportunity there. No, thank you. What email address should we look out for in our inbox? It will be Charlene FX Trades. But the subject will be private live trade session, Charlene FX. It'll say something like that. So hopefully it's there. But when I put the emails out, when I send everything out to everybody, I'm going to notify you guys everywhere. I'm going to put it out on Instagram. I'm going to post it on YouTube. All my platforms will say that it's the emails have been sent out. And look for the emails on those days. The information is in the email. The information is in the form. So on the day that it says that the emails are going to go out, just make sure to check your emails on that day. Just refresh it and keep checking it throughout the day, every hour or so, every 2 hours, whatever it is. And by the end of that day, all of them will have been sent out. So you'll know ahead of time. Because the emails will be sent out by that Thursday. And then that Monday, the live session starts. So if you don't, you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to check and see if you were. But by Saturday, Sunday, you might be out already because the payment has to be made by Friday. So you basically only have to check for one day. What time frame is that? Can you guys not see the things up there? Hopefully you guys can see them. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to see it up there, but it should be there. If it's not, just let me know, guys. Charlene, is the live trade session free or how much does it cost? Go to the link and read the form. The information is there. Where are you looking to enter on gold? Not looking to enter on gold right now. It is there's no opportunity for entry right now. Where it is now, you don't know if it's going to go up. You don't know if it's going to go down. There's nothing confirming any type of trade right now. Unless you were in buys here or buys here, there's no entry opportunity at this point. Oh, Jesus. Check out the divergence on the 1 hour time frame. Like you said, I pump up before a nice drop. Heavy news comes out soon, so be careful. I don't trade divergence. To me, it's like looking at the market from a mirror point of view, and it's a little confusing to me. So I don't trade divergence. I know of that strategy, but I don't trade it. Gold might go down. We're all guessing here. You all are guessing right now. Nobody knows what the market's gonna do when news drops. Guys, nobody knows. Okay? Nobody knows. What platform do you use to go live? I use OBS. So do I. I love that hoodie. Well, now you know where you can go get one for yourself. If they're not sold out, that is. Because I got this a while ago. I got this hoodie like last year, I think. I got it like last November, December, I think. No, I'm sorry, I'm tripping. I got it last April. Yeah, last April, because it was right after I moved. So last April. Even with news, are you not violating one of your rules? I am technically, because I'm entering a trade before news, which I don't do. The only thing is US30 is different. I'm testing it. I'm still learning how to trade it, how it moves, how it reacts to certain things. So I'm okay. Trust me, I'm okay. I have the loss calculated in my mind already. I'm willing to risk it, guys. I'm not afraid to take a loss in front of you guys. Trust me. I don't have to prove anything to anybody. I'm testing out US30, still learning how it moves. I feel confident about my analysis. As long as price stays above this level here, the buys are still very valid. Was the entry the best? Like I said, no. The ideal entry would have been here or even down here. You're not always going to get a sniper entry. I'm good with that. I'm okay with drawdown. You got to be okay with drawdown. Okay? But I missed out on that move yesterday, and then the last move that we caught, my entry was awful because I waited for a bigger push when I could have got in sooner, and then I could have made more profit on that move if I would have just entered when I felt the need to enter and I didn't. So this is the way you have to trade, guys. It's about trial and error. Trial and error. You can't be scared to take an entry somewhere. You can't be scared to execute on something. You can't wait for the perfect time to get in. There is no perfect time. There's no perfect time for anything in life. You just got to do it. I'm still learning US30. As long as I'm inside this area here, I'm good with the entries. I'm good with my entries because I'm not that far from major exhaustion, major support. Price should very well continue pushing. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. It is what it is. I'll learn a lesson, So that's on me. And remember, you guys don't got to take the trades I take. You can just watch. If you don't feel comfortable with it, don't take it. Don't take it. It's my risk to take. We're all here to learn. That's it. You got to be okay with drawdown, guys. Every single trade we take starts out in drawdown. So you got to be okay with it. US30 is a sell. Cool. I'll wait for a retest. I'm already in the trade. Been in US30 buys for the past 30 minutes. Gold buys. Wait for breaker structure. Lots of money above. Inverse head and shoulders on the US30. FOMO, Charlene. No FOMO at all. No FOMO at all. Bearish divergence on 1 hour. News be wicking out and then going in your direction. Yeah. Anyone know how to get MT4 on your iPhone? You can't. You can't get it on your iPhone anymore because Apple removed it from the Apple Store. With the drama that's going on in the Ukraine with Russia and all that, MetaTrader is I was told, a Russian app, and America is not for the nonsense that they got going on over there, so they took it off the Apple Store. So if you didn't already have it on your phone, you can't. You have to download it on your desktop. And it's not hard, guys. Taking a trade on your MetaTrader on desktop, it's not hard. It's literally one button. 1 or 2 buttons you press. You set your lot size. You press buy, sell on your pair. That's it. It's not hard at all. So it's nothing to fret about. News isn't the first Friday of the month. Yes, it is. There's multiple news events, not just the one. She said she's taking buys. I think she entered. I did enter. I did. Sells for US30 for me. All right. Sell. Some of y'all are in US30 sells. Cool. I would only be looking at sells if price was down in this area here. If price breaks this area that it's been rejecting, reject, it broke here, we pushed up. At the very least, we need some sort of a retest of this break. So even if the market does sell off for US30, it still has to retrace at some point. So that's my whole philosophy behind it, you know. But that's what makes trading so what's the word I'm looking for? That's what makes us all different. That's what makes us all different. We all see the charts differently, you know. Somebody might look at the chart and see a buy. Somebody looks at the chart and see a sell. It's all about perspective, you know. We all trade differently. That's just what it is, you know. Nothing wrong with that at all. Charlene, you said you're not trading news. When I say I don't trade news, guys, I like to stay out of a move before and after. Half hour before, half hour after. Some people are looking to enter at news. I'm not. So that's what I mean when I say I don't trade news. I don't look to, oh my God, news is about to come out. Let me enter this buy stop or this sell stop. That's what I mean. But if I'm already in a trade, let's say I'm in profit, or it depends. But I trade US30 differently than I trade currencies. I'm not entering no buys, no sells on GU, gold, or AU. Nothing. I'm not taking any kind of trade until news drops in 1 minute. But I trade indices differently, guys. Oh my God, Doyle is here. What's up, Doyle? Wow, appreciate you, my guy. And there's news. There's news. Let's see if we continue up or I get stopped out. Let me see what gold is doing. Gold up. AU flew. Everything bullish. Buys. GU got buys. US30 gone. Everything was buys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow, look at GU taking off. But this is not an entry opportunity, guys. This is not, we don't know where the market was gonna go. That's why I don't really play with news like that. I don't play with news like that, guys. Okay? Guys, buys. And I guarantee you, the spreads are nuts. The spreads go hot. Wow. AU gone. But I'm not playing with this news. I don't care. Like, I'm not playing with news. Sorry. This would have been nice if we were in. If we were already in and profit, that's one thing. But I'm not touching news. I just need US30 to fly right now. That's all I need. Yeah. I just need US30 to fly at this point. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Everything bullish. Everything went bullish. And that's the thing, guys. I marked down that this news event one sharp move in one direction. And what did it do? Did it do a bunch of up and down, waking out? No, it literally just flew in one direction. That was it. That was it. So you take notes of stuff like that. Same with gold. So GU and AU. Copy chart. AU2 and US30. So yeah, but I'm still gonna hold my buys on US30. I really want to test out this analysis. I really want to see if it continues up. So, wow, look at that pullback, pulling back, gold still pushing, and AU pulling back a little bit. We need a retracement. We need some sort of retracement, guys. We need some kind of retracement on these pairs because look how strong bullish these are. Let's go to a 4 hour. Like, not one red candle in sight. Not one red candle in sight. Look at that. Strong bullish. Testing these previous highs. Dang. Look at that. Oof. Yeah, we got to get some sort of retracement here. Some sort of retracement. So we're going to see. We're going to see. All right. Let me see this chat real quick. Doyle. Those of you that don't know Doyle, you should, because I talked about him the other day. He is a very, very good trader. His pair is Nas. That's his baby right there. So he trades supply and demand from Detroit, Michigan. Super dope guy. Super dope guy. And let me tell y'all, he's a no-nonsense guy, just like me. He don't play that. So, if y'all think I'm blunt, okay. Okay. Because, yeah, he has a Discord group, and his YouTube channel is fire. Is fire. His YouTube is fire. This is his YouTube. Boom. All right, and guys, we all have fake pages, so don't go to the fakes, please. For the life of y'all, don't go to the fake. Okay, I think I want to say it's 1 underscore or it could be 2. If you're not sure, just go to my page, go to my followers, or go to who I follow, and he will be there. That's it. Okay, you're better off going to who I follow because my what you call it might have some of his fakes following me. So go to who I follow and just click his name, and that will be the legit page. All right, and that's that, and that's his YouTube, guys. A lot of psychology, a lot of chart breakdowns, and a lot of vlogs, day in the life videos. He got everything on his channel. So if you're looking for value, this is who you come to. One of the realest traders out there. Not all about lifestyle, all about fluff and all that. All right, so give him a sub. Watch some of his videos, show some love, all that. US30, what you doing? But you know what I like about this, guys? As long as this area don't break, as long as this area doesn't break, we are good. We are good. I went from profit to drawdown, but we are still good. We are good. So let me go back here. So let's see. So the thing is, guys, the market is at a high. It made highs here. That news wasn't too crazy. It wasn't crazy at all. So let's see here. I mean, I would like to see a retracement. I would like to see price come down, breaking this area here, and maybe giving us a sell opportunity. Because if this keeps on flying like this, I'm not trading it because it's not really giving us anything to take, you know, like entry wise. Like, look at this rejection here. It didn't even go up that much. How much was this? This was 64 pips. That's a regular day for gold, a regular 15-minute candle, honestly. So that news push was trash. All right. So right now, guys, the market really not giving much. I hope some of y'all took profit if you were in a trade. I hope some of y'all took profit if you were in a trade. So Doyle is lit. Facts, yeah. Doyle is lit. He does flex his car though. It's a badass car. Why not? I would flex it too. Y'all tripping. I would too. His Discord is fire. Stay winning. He trades with us 4 days a week. Yeah. He trades with his people too. So he shows off a bit, but he's real. Everybody shows off a little bit, guys. Everybody, calm down. If you got on a badass outfit for a party, or you got a nice car, or you just did something cool, you want to tell people about it. You want to show off your accomplishments. There's nothing wrong with that. Just chill. Just chill, guys. I did on Nas. Oh, y'all took Nas. Okay. Yeah, if you took entries, guys, I hope y'all took profit. If you holding for a certain move, like I'm holding US30, that's one thing. But if you know, scalping and you're ballsy and you're like, you know, I want to get in for news, listen. All right. Yes, I took profits. Good. Y'all tripping. Yeah. Charlene is better than Doyle. I'm not better than anybody because I'm not in competition with anybody. I'm not in competition, but what? Okay, let me ask y'all. What actually determines if somebody is a better trader than somebody else? How do you know? How do you know? Because we all trade different styles. We trade different pairs. We might even trade completely different sessions, all that stuff. So how do you know? Right? If a trader has, I don't know, a bigger house than me, does that make them a better trader? If a trader has a better car than me, does that make them a better trader? How do you know? How do you know? Let me tell y'all something, guys. Trading opens up a whole bunch of doors to a bunch of different opportunities. Okay, all of the side businesses that I have aside from trading, that money came from trading. So if you are a smart person and you know what to do with your money, you're not out here just blowing it on dumb stuff all the time, you're actually investing that money. So let me tell y'all, all the money we make, guys, all of it ain't from the charts. It's not. We have other things, other investments, other things we do. So that doesn't necessarily mean, oh, well, this person bought a Lambo, so they're a better trader. How you know that money for the Lambo came from trading? It might have came from his other business or something else that person did. You know what I mean? You guys have to, like, thinking that way of thinking, that mindset, oh, that person's better, this person is this person is that. That's that mindset that's never going to get you anywhere in life. Because you thinking about the wrong thing. You worried about the wrong thing. Instead of sitting here getting knowledge from whoever you can get the knowledge from somebody who's giving you value, you over here worried about whose car is better, whose trades are better, who's catching the biggest setups. Like, you're the kind of people that's not going to get anywhere in life. Because you worried about the wrong thing. You worried about the wrong thing. That's it. Instead of, oh, this person's better, you know what I'm doing? I'm going right over to that person's page and I'm trying to find out, what can I learn from that person? How much more value can I get out of this person? Because if you was profitable on your own, you wouldn't be on this live right now. You wouldn't. You might, okay, check it out every once in a while if you're bored or something. He don't trade on Wednesdays, so he's just chilling. He's literally a free man. So he got the freedom to sit here and be like, you know what, I'm bored. Let me check out this girl's live stream real quick. Let me show her some love. But some of y'all at work, some of y'all stuck in jobs that you don't like. Some of y'all somewhere that you don't want to be. So that's what you really need to be focused on. How can I get to that person's level? How can I get where they got? So I can be in that same position they're in. Y'all be getting under my skin with that stuff because it's dumb to me. It don't make no sense. That's what you worried about? Who's a better trader? How do you know who is a better trader? I tell you what, I guarantee you we both better than you. Because you on this live right now trying to grab a trade from me. Not saying that that's wrong or anything, but chill with all that, guys. I don't like that. I don't like that. Don't come on my channel with all that. Chill with all that. Swaggy just made a post about this. Why do y'all care about comparing traders? They both get the bag. Exactly. Matter of fact, let's look at that right now. Let's look at that right now. Cause that was a dope post. Hold on. Damn, I'm not used to using Instagram on my desktop. Let's see if is it still up here? Is it this one? Nah. Let's go to his stories. Should still be in his stories. Ah man, it's not in his stories. But you know what? Somebody DM'd it to me. Hold on, let me look at my DMs real quick. Hold on, I'm gonna find it. Cause it was a good post. I'm gonna find it. How do you look at your DMs on here? Oh, right here. All right. Damn, who sent it to me? Somebody sent it to me, but I don't remember who it was. Hold on, guys. Damn, I don't remember who sent it to me. It wasn't that person. Somebody can find it, send it to me. Cause I can't, it's already off his story, so I can't find it. But if you guys can find it for me, send it to me, please. So I can show it to y'all on here. So I don't know, guys. I mean, AU is looking good. AU is good. If cause AU is in a heavy demand area now. If we can get like a closure above this area, maybe we can get another push to continue buys. AU is okay for buys right now. I think after, like, we need to see how this candle closes and how the next one is looking. Because right now, it literally just wicked out hard. But then again, that was news. So let's wait for the 9 o'clock candle. And I hate the 9 o'clock candle. Because that thing's stupid. It just does a bunch of nonsense sometimes. So we might have to wait till after that. Do I need additional education after I go through your course? That's up to you. How well do you retain the information? How well do you apply it? Do you like my style? That's why I tell people, don't get my course off rip. Like, watch my YouTube videos, watch my breakdowns, watch my content, because that's going to tell you how I trade and what I look for. So do your due diligence on somebody before you invest in them. I can't answer that question for you. You got to do it for yourself. Do I need additional education after I go through your course? I don't know. How much are you going to study? How well do you understand the information? How well do you apply it? All those things matter. So I can't tell you that. I can't. That's on you. I made 3,500 on GU. Wow. Nice. So y'all eating off these buys. Y'all were eating on these buys. GU buys. Yeah, you gotta wait for the market to calm down, guys. Because right now it's chilling right now. It's chilling right now. I'm holding. Y'all that's still holding. Ballsy. And no, guys, somebody's gonna ask. No, I am not about to hold US30 to this TP. No. If it comes to even up here around this area, I'm out. I'm good. I'm out. I am not holding to full TP. It could go up there. It did. The last catch setup that we caught, it did eventually hit TP. It took a whole week. I can't remember the last time I held. I don't think I've ever held a trade a whole week. Hold on, let me think. No. I know. I've never held a trade an entire week. Never. So, yeah, I've never done that. That move took the whole week to play out. Nah. I'm not about that life. Y'all mindset's crazy. Who is better than who? Everyone just trying to be great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Competition is gonna get you nowhere. Compete with yourself. Try to be better. Try to be better than you were yesterday. That's it. That's it. Charlene, we love you. Love y'all too. Just stop with all the motivations. Let's trade. Alex, you could leave the live stream right now, bro. It's real simple. All you gotta do is hit the X button on your internet and you're good. That's all it takes. You don't have to be here. There's 1,300 other people here that want to hear this stuff. If you don't want to, just leave. It's simple. Being consistently profitable is what makes you a good trader. Facts. Small mindsets. Exactly. Hit them up on Discord. Let's keep the charts. Leave out the message orders. Who's better? Exactly. Everything in the competition. Exactly. US30 going bullish. We hope so. I hope so. I think I was up like 1,500, 1,600, and now I'm back in drawdown. But that's all right though. This is an intraday move I'm holding. I put the link to the swaggy post in the chat. Just breathe. Let me see if I can find it. Damn, I didn't see no links here though. Check your DM. I just sent you. All right, let me check my DMs real quick. Let's see here. All right.
Trader A makes $250K a year on 2 million. Trader B makes $500K a year on 500K. Who is the better trader? The answer is, who cares? They both made 6 figures in an industry where most people lose. Now, I'm sure that question was asked in satire, but the reality is no one better trader is better than the other. If I make $1 million in a year and another trader makes $3 million, and somebody's in my comment like, this person made $3 million, ha 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 ha, like, you suck. I made $1 million. Chances are the money that I make or the money that this trader makes is just enough for that person to be happy. And now, comparison is the thief of all joy. Now, you can obviously compare yourself to other traders in terms of like a friendly competition, but the reality is a lot of young traders will make $1,000, their first $1,000, and then they'll jump on Instagram and they'll see somebody make $21,000 in a day. And instead of being motivated, they're now deflated because they didn't do that, and now they try to risk too much on the next trade, and then they blow their account, and the cycle continues over and over again. And I don't want that happening anymore. Be comfortable and be happy with what you make in the market.
Thank you.
So a few days ago, I saw this tweet. It said,
"Thank you. That's it. That's it. You compete with yourself only. You don't need nothing else. Nothing else." I'm 100% Charlene student. I have to say that I've also learned a lot from Doyle YouTube. Free knowledge because I also trade Nas. Respect to you both. Thank you. Thank you. That's it. Who can you get knowledge from? Who can you learn from? Who's going to help you get better? Don't worry about somebody else's pockets. Man, bye. I got better things to worry about. Let's see what GU is doing. All right, it's continuing back up now. Sorry guys, if you didn't catch them buys because you were disciplined and didn't trade news, it's all right, because every day is not going to be a trading day, guys. That's the bottom line. That's the bottom line. If I wasn't trading US30, I wouldn't be in none of these setups. None of them. Okay, so there's no entry opportunities right now on nothing, guys. Nothing right now. Just chill today. All right. Every day is not. Learn to sit on your hands. Learn to sit on your hands. What's a good broker to trade demo for US30? The broker link is in my bio. Let me link that for you. Hold on. Uno momento. All right. All right, use that link and to sign up to the broker, and you can trade US30 on demo. Should you be looking at US30 though? You know, where are you in your trading journey? Are you ready to level up to that pair, or are you good where you at? You know what I mean? You don't have to trade a hard, you know, it's a hard pair, so you be careful with that. That's all. I'm okay with making $300 minimum daily. There you go. Have goals for yourself. $300 every day, that's good money. You tack that on with whatever you're making from your job or whatever. Listen, that's everything. Okay, $300, sheesh, from home. You don't have to take a bus to work. You don't have to put on a uniform. You don't have to work overnight or nothing and listen to no boss talking to you crazy. And you just made $300. What? Where do I sign up? That's what I would be saying. How do I learn how to do that? My brother just called me the other day telling me he cussed out his boss. His boss was talking to him crazy. He was like, look, you a clown. I'm out. And he straight walked out. I'm like, that's gangster. That's gangster. It's crazy. Thanks for the video though, guys. Thank you for the DMs. Appreciate it. That was a good video. That was a good post. Cause that's a good point. Y'all worried about who's better than this because you made that. Listen, if you're making money and you're profitable and you end the day in the blue, I don't care if you made $5. I don't care if you made $5 million. If you ended the day in the blue, you are in the top 10, top 5% of the people that made money, while everybody else took L's. That's it. Everybody else taking L's, and you won for the day. So consider yourself lucky. Oh, damn, we missed it. That's all right, though. We missed it. Look at what A did. Perfect. Right? Push up, closed above. That's what I said. I wanted to see how this... Was it this candle or was it another? Damn, 15 minute gave us a setup. Freak. Talking to me. I got me all distracted now. I missed out on these buys on AU. Shit. That's all right, though. All good. We'll catch another setup. Yeah, GU is not as clean. AU was, this was clean though. This was clean right here. That's it right there. That's a setup you want to catch every day. Every day. We broke out, we retested, demand, pushed, closed, bomb. This was the candle to enter on right here. And it pushed, damn. 20 pips. Freak. Alright, whatever. Yeah, AU is pushing. I will wait for price to come back. Wait for a pullback, guys. Don't enter at a high. Unless you trade pullbacks. But the market is bullish, so you're taking a risk. What's your usual R? 1 to 1, 1 to 2. I'm a scalper, so 1 to 1, 1 to 2. Max 1 to 3. And when I catch 1 to 3 setups, it's usually my runner. Because I'll close like my first, if I open up, let's say 2 or 3 positions, I might close 2 and might leave a runner. Sometimes I just get impatient and I just close everything. I don't even care. So it depends. I'm new. I'm totally new to trading. This is my first live trade video ever. Definitely going to sub, learn, and grow. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, 1,300 people. It's only 520 likes. Can y'all, like, you know, especially if you make money on these news pushes. Come on. It don't hurt to hit the like button. Hit the like. Because you know what it does when you hit the like button, guys? It helps the YouTube algorithm to push your videos, to push your channel to more people that are looking for content like this. It pushes it. It pushes you up the list to where you're seen by more people. So when you get likes, that's what that does for you. So in case you guys don't know why or what the likes mean, that's what that means. So it just helps the channel. That's all. And dislikes help the channel too, believe it or not. I researched all that because I was trying to learn how the YouTube algorithm works. Because I'll see like some people like put out videos to come out with channels, and their channel will blow up like quick. And I'm like, I'll see somebody that had like 1,200 subs, and then like a year later they're at like 250k subs, and I'm like, what the hell? How the hell they? So I'm trying to learn how the algorithm works with certain content that you put out to see. So I gotta put out more YouTube shorts, because YouTube is pushing shorts. Like my live sessions get pushed a lot because YouTube likes it when you're putting out content that's keeping people on the platform. That's why Instagram likes reels, and they like when people go live and stuff, because it means that eyeballs are watching and people are physically on the app. So it's not just like a story where you could just tap and scroll off and be like, all right, I don't see nothing, let me get off the app. When you're watching a live or a reel, or something that's keeping people engaged, they like that. So they push your stuff more to more people, so that you get more views and stuff like that. So that's how that works basically. So how am I doing on US30? I'm in drawdown. I was up, what, 16, 17, something like that, maybe 15, less than that, and I'm back in drawdown. But it's okay because I'm holding the move. I'm holding the move. I'm holding the move. See, on MT5, I don't know where to how do you switch time frames on here? This is the H1, guys. I'm trying to, because people, oh, you don't have a stop loss. I do. My stop loss is down here, but you can't see it on here because it's the H1. I would have to move the chart, but I'm trying to go down and I can't find it on here. So, but I do have a stop loss, guys. I do. When I'm holding moves like this, I have a stop loss because I'm not scalping. If I was scalping, that's different. Because if I was scalping that move, guys, I would have been closed. I would have closed when price was up here. When I seen it retracing a few times, I would have took my 1,500 and been done. But because I'm holding the move, that's why I have it there. I'm already okay with the risk. So it's all good. I'm up, I think 6K, 7K on the week. So I can lose all of it and be okay. But I'm testing out my strategy, testing out on live. It's not the same on demo. That's why I don't take it on demo, because it's not the same. I want to see it on live. I want to feel it. You can press enter and type time frame on MT5. Okay. Enter time. It's not letting me do anything. Nah, it's not working. It's not working. So yeah, guys, we hit 1,300 max viewers. So my goal was 2,000 by the end of the month, I think it was. So we are about 700 or so people away from that goal. So that's gonna be cool. Look at gold. Look at gold. There's nothing on gold, guys. It's no entries on gold. There's no entries on gold. This is pumping away. You're not gonna get an entry until you get, either you trade the retracement for price to come back to retest this area right here, right? Until you get something like this. That's a trade. That's a trade. But you still need confirmation. So I would go down to the 5 minute if you can, and I will see how the 5 minute is looking, because on gold it's so volatile. The 5 minute will give you the entries that you're looking for. But I just don't feel, gold is so it respects structure so well, guys, that I don't recommend taking the counter trend trade on it, especially with the market where it is. This is the worst setup to take that in, because it's so bullish right now. You don't know if it's gonna retrace, or if it does, how much. So I wouldn't play with sells on gold right now. I wouldn't do it. That's just me. And this could dump. It could, and I don't care if it does. The point is, I'm not trying to take no damn sells in such a strong bullish market. Because when you try to call tops and bottoms, that's where you get clapped. That's where you get clapped in the market. You gotta wait for price to hit a certain area, and then you have to wait for your candle confirmation after it hits that area to give you the confirmation you're looking for to take the trade. There we go. Wow, AU is pumping today. Look at that. Push up and look at this straw already. Just hit 9 o'clock. So a new 4-hour candle just opened up. Let's look at the 4-hour real quick. Dang, AU is moving. We gotta keep an eye on AU because AU is giving us setups back to back and we missing out. GU, finally, everything is pulling back hard right now. So yeah, now it's pulling back. Testing this area. And then gold is not ready to move yet. So yeah, what you want to see is something like this. Something like that. All right. Let me go to the 15. Yeah, GU could retrace to about this area or even this area too. This area is probably more valid than that area. If we go to the H1, yeah, this is a major H1 low right there. If you go to the 30, this area is better for a stop loss compared to this, because this could just fly right on down and continue dropping. So this area is better. So what you want to see is something like this. Something like that. On price to come down, tap this area, and then turn around and go back up. Something like that. But AU here, AU is sweet. AU is giving right now. So on the 30-minute, the retest could still be coming. It came on this candle here, but it could also happen again here to give you this nice drop for price to eventually continue up, because this is very nice structure here. You can watch on the 15. I'm gonna play with MT5 later. I'm not gonna do it now because I want to keep focused on the charts. Markets are moving off without us today. It's crazy. Yeah. And then this 9 o'clock move. Yep. But people made money today. Y'all made money on them news pushes today. You must have been heaven sent. I struggle a lot with my trading beginner. We got you. There's a lot of resources online. A lot of resources online. And that's the great thing about trading now. Like, there's a lot more value out there. There's a lot more content, you know, so many different styles, different mentors, different ways of teaching. Oh my God, y'all look at this. Jesus, this came down and said, nope. See what I'm saying? The market is so bullish right now. It's so bullish. You cannot look for sells in this market. It's too damn strong. At this point, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Them bulls is not playing around today. Them bulls is not playing. They're like, nah, we flying today. Look at what AU did. Whoop. Look how fast it pulled back. Patience, guys. Patience. All about patience. You gotta be patient trading. Especially after a news move. Before, after news. Around there. Dow is pushing. Let's see. Yeah, we're trying to come back up. We're trying to push. We're trying to push. Can you use magic keys with a MacBook? Yes, you can. I used to have a Mac. I used to trade on my Apple laptop, and I had magic keys on there. It's a pain in the butt to set up though, I ain't gonna lie. It's a bunch of steps that you have to do. It's kind of a pain in the butt, honestly. But you could do it. You could do it. All courses are on Telegram. Everyone wave while the Dow takes off. Let's everybody wave while we go up. Yeah, I'm gonna be happy if this analysis plays out, guys. I'm gonna be happy because that means I am learning, baby. I am learning this hard pair that that used to spank me back in the day when I didn't know what the hell I was doing. How can I make my MT4 profits show up in blue or red in the terminal? It's set up like that already. It's already set up like that. If you're in profit, it's gonna be blue. If you're negative, it's gonna be red or black. I've seen it black. But MT5, I've seen it black. On my MT5, it comes up black sometimes. So I think it depends on your settings. But I think the MT4 or 5 download comes preset with those settings. So I think you gotta play around with it to find out how to switch it up. So what is playing in the background? This song called Less of Me. I'll show you guys. The song I'm playing is this song. Less of Me by Toby Tranter. Epidemic Chill Beats. That's the song that I'm playing. I am extra busy today. I got 2 houses to go see. I have 2 one-on-ones. Nah, yesterday I had 3. 2 one-on-ones today. Yeah, today's a busy day. And then I gotta go to Miami. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Damn, AU did that too. I mean, not AU, GU. GU came down, no wick, gone. Gold, gone. That's it, guys. If you're not in buys already, if you wasn't in buys from like the lows, if you got in at a higher low or some sort of demand zone, there was no entries. Even over here, like this looks like a dope entry, right, on the 15, but you don't know. You don't know how far down this is gonna go. This is not much of a retracement at all. And this candle rejected, same rejection as the last spot. So days like this, guys, you just gotta just chill. Days like this, you have to learn to sit on your hands and just chill. Because if you force a setup or you force a trade, more than likely you're gonna lose, unless you're going with the trend and you get lucky. Everything is heavy bullish right now. Heavy bullish. So I'm gonna be on my computer for at least another 2 hours here because I want to see how US30 plays out. I'm probably not taking no setups today on these pairs, guys. I'm not about to force it, and nah. I'm already in US30. I'm just gonna hold that, see how that plays out. And today, nah, not touching anything else today. Caught AU, about to go play Call of Duty until Asian. Damn, you about to play Call of Duty all day? All day? Damn. Y'all love them games. I don't know. I used to like playing video games, but I don't know. Cause I don't know if you guys know, I used to be heavy on PlayStation when I was younger. And I used to be addicted to this game called Metal Gear Solid. It's an old game, guys. They actually came out with one a while back. And I was like, I used to babysit for my next door neighbor when I was like 12, 13 years old, because I was a military brat. So my neighbors had to go to work. They had 2 small kids, and I used to watch them. And I used to have to go to their house to watch the kids over there. And they didn't have no cable or nothing over there. So the only thing the guy had was a PlayStation. So when they were 2 small kids. They were like, I think 3, 4, 5 years old. They were really small. So they didn't really bother me that much. And the only thing I could do over there was play PlayStation. And the one game the guy had was Metal Gear Solid. And I started playing that game, and oh my God, I could not get away. Like, they would come home and I would be done babysitting and I would still hang out just so I could play Metal Gear Solid. I used to love that game. And they lived right next door to me, so it wasn't like I was far from home. I was still at home. I just was next door. And I love that game. I love that game. That was the only game I would play on PlayStation, was Metal Gear Solid. And that was my game. So I kind of get it with the Call of Duties and all that. I kind of get it, but I haven't played video games in so long now, so I'm kind of over that. But I used to love it. I used to play Metal Gear Solid and NBA 2K. Those were my games growing up. So online getting crazy with Metal Gear. Oh, so some of y'all know. Some of you guys know I fuck with Metal Gear. Yes, that was the game. Metal Gear is hard. Yeah, Metal Gear is hard. Yup, love it. That was the bomb. I hope if they come out with another one, listen, I don't have a PlayStation now, but I will go get one just to play that on PlayStation. That would be the only game I play. Even now, at my age, I would sit there and play Metal Gear Solid. That's how much I love that game. That was a cool game. When I finally beat it at the end, oh man, I loved it. I guess what? I turned it on, went right back to level 1 again, and I went right back at it. I knew where all the guns was at. I was killing all the bad guys. I was saving. I was getting it. That was a cool game. Let me see. Let me come here real quick. Let's see. Metal Gear Solid. 1998 video game. Wow, look at that. This was the one that got me. That was that new one that came out on PlayStation. I never beat that one. I never beat it. I should go back and play it just to conquer that challenge, but I never beat it. That one was hard. They made it hard. They made that one hard. So that was my game, guys. Metal Gear Solid. That was it. Look at this guy. My boy Snake. His name was Snake. Yeah, that was my game. I don't know. What y'all think? Should I go get a PlayStation and beat it? What y'all think? Cause that game got me. That one got me. That one definitely got me. Yeah, Metal Gear 4, 5, Phantom, this one. Man. Bringing back old memories of me playing that game. And I remember the husband used to get mad because the husband is like, damn, like I'm ready for this girl to go home so I could play, because that was his game, you know? So I would be playing it, and like, we would be sitting there talking to each other like, yeah, oh, you did that? Da-da-da-da. And I'm like, it was awesome. That was awesome. I ain't gonna lie. That was fun. Yeah. Y'all say, yeah, I should go get it. Yeah. Were you playing Twisted Metal? I did play Twisted Metal, but I wasn't a big fan of it too much. I wasn't crazy. I was too deep into Metal Gear at the time. So I didn't care too much for Twisted Metal. So yeah, I'm not old, but at the same time, I mean, I'm not a teenager anymore. At the time, I was a teenager. You know, I had all the time in the world. I didn't have no responsibilities, you know. I was a kid. You know, when you're a kid, you have all the fun when you're a kid, but you know, I don't know. You ain't a real one if Wall Street is not bookmarked. Facts. Facts. Yeah. Wall Street Academy is bookmarked, baby. Raymond hit different. I don't know if I ever played that game. I heard of it, but I don't remember if I ever played that game. Final Fantasy, God of War. Yeah, I'm not really into video games like that no more, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But for Metal Gear Solid, I don't know. I might go back and conquer that. I might. I just might. Let's see. Yeah, guys, there's nothing. Nothing. AU, nothing. US30. I wish US30 would start pushing like these other pairs. US30 is just taking a nap right now. But that's okay. We're gonna wait for New York to really kick off here, and now we should see some sort of movement here. So, Swaggy plays PS2 sometimes. I know a lot of Forex traders play video games. A lot, you know. What about FX Summit? You did not go. I'm not even gonna answer that because everybody knows I was there. Lori Tabarez, stop spamming the chat, bro. Stop spamming. Tell about how it worked with Q and going around that kind of circle. It's cool. It's cool. The Forex industry can be a little toxic. There's a lot of negative stuff that goes on with it. But if you stay in your own lane and you do your own thing, you should be fine. You collab with the right people. Because you shouldn't be collabing with everybody, because everybody ain't who they say they are. They out here, doing stuff sometimes that you might not agree with. So you just have to pick your circle wisely. Same as you would in life. You got to pick your people, pick the people you choose to hang around wisely. That's it. So how is it working with Q? It's great. It's great. He's a great guy. He's my mentor, for Christ's sake. So, he's a cool dude. I don't hang out with people that I'm not cool with, that I'm not, sure about. You gotta do your homework on some people. Like people look up stuff. People be looking. I did a one-on-one with the guy yesterday. I think he's on the live right now. And while we were on the one-on-one, we were on Zoom. So I had him open up his chart, share his screen, so I could see how he did a breakdown, so I could help him out. And when he opened it up, one of his tabs at the top screen said Charlene Cadet LinkedIn. I'm like, LinkedIn? I was like, damn, like this dude was looking me up, because LinkedIn, why are you checking somebody's LinkedIn? And that was back when I had my real estate company and stuff like that. But yeah, I peeped that. And I was like, oh, okay, like buddy looking me up, cool, I might take that page down though, because I don't have any of that stuff anymore. I'm not a cop anymore. I'm in real estate, but I don't have that real estate company that I had back then anymore. So it's all old stuff on there. But he was looking people. Listen, when people want to find out stuff about you, some people got connections, they got resources, somebody really want to know something about you, they can find it. So that's why you got to be careful with certain stuff. So, but it's good though. It's good to do due diligence. It's good to do your homework on somebody, especially if you're about to invest with them, if you're about to buy something from them, or you can't be blind to things. You got to do your homework. You have to. Before you buy a course from a certain person, guys, go look that person up. Go on YouTube, go on Twitter, go on TikTok, go on Instagram, go on Facebook. Go look them up. Go see how they moving, who they cool with, who they whatever. How do they talk? How do they carry themselves? Look at their content. Does it make sense? Does it sound right to you? Does it resonate with you? Are you learning from them? These are all things you want to know before you actually open up your wallet to somebody and say, hey, I want to pay you to teach me this. You got to know what you're about to get yourself into. You know what I mean? Even Forex. Don't just sit here and see people making money and you want to do it too. So you just randomly throw money in a trading account and just go trade. No, research Forex. Some people don't even know Forex is short for foreign exchange, but they trade. How you don't know that and you're a trader? You know what I mean? Some people don't take the time to look at like the little things, the details. You gotta know that stuff. Gotta know that stuff. Do your homework. People over trade, taking 10, 20, 30 trade setups a day, not realizing that not only are you taking an L on those trades, but you're paying commission also to your broker for taking the trade. That's costing you money. But they don't think that. They don't think about that. They just, oh, I'm going to take 20 trades a day and hopefully I win some of them. People don't look at the bottom line. They don't look at any of that stuff. They just want to make profits and, okay, everything is over. Nah. Like, let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all some fuckery that I saw yesterday on my Instagram. Let me show y'all something. What y'all think? This is a lady who pushes health and wellness products, doing live stand-ups, you know, motivational stuff. And now everybody who's out here, people that are like, and I look up to this lady, I do, because she out here getting the bag. You know, used to be a stripper, you know, 3 different kids, 3 different baby daddies, you know, came from the hood. Mom was a drug dealer, daddy was a drug dealer, type stuff. Like, she came from the mud. And now she's out here doing it, right? But what you need to learn about certain people is some people will do anything to get to the bag. Even if it means scamming people, even if it means like lying to people. Now she probably peeped, because I had a conversation with her over DM. And she probably, if you talking to somebody over DM, you're gonna look at their page. You're gonna look at who you're talking to. So she probably peeped this, like, oh, that's what, oh. So some company or something probably approached her, maybe, or she like, oh, I can push this, and she has a big ass following. And this lady is downright nasty to people sometimes. Like, the way she talks to people, the way she puts herself above people sometimes, is straight just disgusting. But you have some women that follow this lady like she's a god. So you think they're not going to see this and be like, oh, snap, I could do this, and that. Listen, she going to make another bag off scamming people off of Forex. And this is the type of stuff that I hate about our industry, is people think it's a scam because of shit like this. This chick took a whole bunch of random lot sizes on gold, 10, 20, 10, 2, random numbers, showing all that. Look at the L. Does that even compare to this? Look at the next post. Like, bruh, you know it's demo, you know it's fake, I don't even know her. I know she ain't no trader. This lady did not sit down and study no damn charts. So don't tell me that. Come on, bro. When I see stuff, I'm like, as soon as I saw that, I'm done. Like, I'm done. Cause come on, man. Like, anything's for the bag. Anything for the bag. Anything for the bag. Anything for the bag. Let me tell y'all. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all something else. I'm gonna show y'all something else. Y'all gonna laugh if y'all see this. Watch. 1.4 million followers. 1.4 million. Black Queen doing the thing, inspiring women all over the world. But she got a little scam in her. She got a little hustler in her. Let me show y'all something else. I'm gonna see if it's still up though. I'm gonna show y'all something. Watch this. Watch this, guys.
Just wanna have a good night. Hold up.
This is an event that Stormy had because she has a makeup line and stuff where she puts out lipstick and makeup and healthcare face products and stuff. So they had a photo shoot for relaunching her product, right? So this is they had the photo shoot, and then they go to a little event later on that night, a little hangout spot. I'm gonna show y'all something. Watch Stormy real quick. Watch her phone in her hand. Let me show y'all. So they hanging out, right? They all chilling, right? This is Stormy right here. Stormy's gonna show herself right here, and then look at her phone. Look at her phone. Her phone is open on an MT4, and watch it. What y'all see? That's an MT4, right? MT4, MT5, right? What's that? All reds. Whole bunch of numbers. Whole bunch of numbers, right? Tell me this. Look, she's in on a demo account. I'm positive it's a demo account, right? Because you're not gonna take your hard-earned money and put it in something that you know nothing about, and just risk bags and bags and bags on positions you don't know what the hell you're doing. Ain't no way that's a live account. And all you see is what? Reds, bruh. Like, y'all have to look at stuff like this. I'm telling y'all, like, I'm looking like this lady, and she gonna make a bag. She gonna make a bag off of scamming women off Forex. All those black women that follow her and listen and cling on to every word she say, they gonna go into Forex because of her. They gonna lose a whole bunch of money, and she gonna keep pushing it. Watch. This is the same lady who had a women's retreat where she was charging $10,000, y'all. She charged them women $10,000. Some women paid $15,000 for VIP, and was feeding them backyard barbecue food on plastic plates, talking about, oh, I hired the caterer, but I didn't know what type of food he was gonna be serving, so I didn't know he was gonna be serving corn on the cob and barbecue chicken. Bro, if I pay 10 bands for a ticket for a women's retreat, you better have one of the top of the line chefs feeding us breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a night snack. Don't tell me you hired somebody you don't know what the hell you serving. This is who this lady is. So she got the right mindset and all that, but nah, she do anything for the bag. And people like that, you gotta like watch out for, because when it comes to money, nah, look at this, all reds right here. This is an MT4 account, all reds. And then watch this next post. She acting like she on the phone. What's she saying? I'm in profit right now? Nah, B, you in major drawdown right now. Cause when you were boss, you could do it. And then look at her face. Oh my God. She's probably showing her some other account she had that had profit. I can't. But listen, when it comes to marketing, this girl know what she doing, bro. She markets and she get into the bag, baby. She get into the bag. So some people, they might, look like this, look like that, but people are always gonna show their true colors. They always gonna show their true colors. You know, some people, you can see right through them. You can see right through them. And it's sad for our industry. It's so easy to make money in it, but it's also so easy to lose and to get scammed and to believe all the hype behind it. And yeah, she's the face of TLC, that bullshit ass tea company that's promoting people shitting and shit. Yeah. So yeah, man, it's sad. It's sad. It's sad. But yeah, she gonna make a bag. She gonna make a bag. That's it. Our industry it's hard. It's hard. It's gonna be hard. Like it's gonna be it's years down the line before we really see, like, okay, people are gonna become privy, because Forex is still so very young. A lot of people don't know what Forex is. They just don't. And all they see is the money that everybody's making. You know, you go to all the major influencer pages and you see lifestyle stuff, so you're gonna automatically think, oh, this is something I can make money with. And if you see a lady who's making money in other industries doing other things, like, oh, she's doing it, I could do it too. That's what immediately what people are gonna think. So all them ladies I follow, Listen, and it's more older women. It's the older like genre of women that follow her and stuff. So, you know, not knocking older people or whatever, but trading is a little bit harder for people that are older. It's a new thing, you know, it's a lot of studying, you know, you have responsibilities and other stuff like that. So it's gonna be harder for them. It's gonna be harder for them. But she don't care. Some people don't care anything for the bag. Anything for the bag. She was telling people, oh, join my company. Use your car note money. I don't care if you don't have it or whatever. You can make the money to make your car note or to pay your rent. Take your rent money and join my company. Sign up under me. And then go out there and sell this tea. And you'll make the money to pay your rent. And you're telling this to somebody who's a single mom with probably 2-3 kids at home, you know, struggling to make ends meet. And you selling her a dream so that you can fill your pockets. Man, listen, I'm too much of a believer in karma. I'm not going to tell nobody, listen, I know that's your rent money, your car note money, but take this money, go buy my course, and I guarantee you're going to make the money on the charts to pay your rent that's due next week. Guaranteed. Just do it. Trust me. Have belief in yourself. They got a special place in hell for people that's like that. A special place with your name on it. If you're that type of person. Because you out here, or you are not out here doing God's work. You out here doing the devil's work, honey. And I am not about that life. All money ain't good money. All money ain't good money. I'll tell people in a heartbeat, don't buy my stuff, don't buy my course, don't buy my signals, don't buy nothing from me. Don't even watch my YouTube, please. Because all money ain't good money. So the scammers ain't stopping. The scammers are not stopping. It's not stopping. It's sad. But it's upsetting. It's upsetting because, you know, you got people out here that really are trying to help, really are trying to make a difference in our industry. And then you got people like that. I'm not going to call her no names, but people like that mess it up for the population. And people that are going to get scammed by her by it, some of them are never going to believe in Forex anymore. This is an excellent opportunity, an excellent vehicle that's life-changing if you gain this skill and you gain the confidence and you have all the resources out there to help you master the skill. But you have people that are guiding people in the wrong direction under false pretenses just so they can fill their pockets. And these are people that already have money. They don't even need that money, but it's like, you know what? Hey, it's another bag, so hey, But if you're doing it you know you hurting people, you know you lying to them, you knowingly are lying to them about it, like, they got a special place in hell for people like that. Let me tell you. That money is not gonna help you when you gotta stand in front of the man himself and explain yourself. I wish US30 would start moving, man. This is ridiculous. All right, gold is like, all right, gold is gone. Gold is, I ain't coming back today. Get y'all. AU pulling back a little bit here finally. Let's see if we get a nice little pullback on AU. It's closed weak exhaustion, weak bullish. It pushed up, didn't break this high, breaking lows, trying to come down. There's a lot of volume right now in the market. Look at that. Shoot up. This one came down and shot right on up. This one never came down, shot up. There's a lot of volume right now in the markets. A lot of volume. A lot of volume right now. Ain't nothing popping right now, guys. Who keeps saying it? US30 is pushing. US30 is napping right now. US30 about to take off. We gonna see. Sounds like that show Ja Rule did where people paid a lot and they got scammed. Yeah, what was that thing called? Fire Festival? All them people got scammed. Yep. Y'all was cracking up just now. Look at the chat going crazy laughing. I don't like knocking other black people, man, but listen, wrong is wrong. Wrong is wrong. You know, wrong is wrong. If I ever meet her in person, she better not talk Forex to me. I'm gonna make her mad. I'm gonna make her real mad. She even try to show me. Let's talk Forex. Don't talk. If you know you a capper, you out here lying about what you doing, you better not talk to a real trader. Cause we gonna let you have it. Cause you already messing with our industry with your fake stuff. So we gonna let you have it. You know, we gonna let you have it. And I don't even really want to meet her. I used to want to meet her, but not anymore because I don't like her energy. I don't like the way she talks to people sometimes. And now this just did it for me. This just did it for me because I know you lying. I know she's lying about it. You messing with my business, my industry. You know, you out here making us look bad now because we know you're not really doing it. You out here lying to people. You know, it makes our job that much harder. You know what I'm saying? It makes it harder for us to really show that it's real. Everybody, you know, once you taint somebody's image in one person's eyes, it's like that with everybody. At some point, they gonna be, oh no, that's a scam. I did that before. It was nothing. They lying. That's what it's gonna be, you know, and it's sad. You just hope that people wake up at some point and see through the bullshit. You know, sad. Crazy how this world works. I wanted to learn to day trade and now my whole YouTube is centered around trading. Nice, nice. How long you been trading? I've been trading for 5 years, guys. The loss compared to the win. I know that loss was 17K, a 17K loss, and she had like $1,000 wins. She had like 10 pip, 8 pip wins, and the loss was crazy. But then again, her lot size was crazy too. I think that was a 20 lot on gold. On gold, guys, a 20 lot on gold is equivalent to like 100 lots on AU. It's crazy. It's a lot. And then she had, how many positions she had open? I counted like 30 between the two posts. Come on, come on. Ain't no real. It just screams fake all over the place. All over the place. Like, man, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. Those MLM people, man, they are born scammers. Born used car salesmen. That's all they are. Oh, God. I reported one of your impersonators last night. Thank you. There's a whole bunch more, but thanks. She was closing her eyes and pushing buttons. Yeah. She got a little scammer. Yeah. Yeah. Show me who your friends are, and that tells me everything about you. Yeah. Yeah. I think the people that like follow her and like adore her the way they do are just people with like low self-esteem. They looking for acceptance. They looking to be a part of something. They're just people that are kind of weak-willed, I think. And it's not an insult to them. It's not, you know, talking down on them. It's just something that I see. When you align yourself with somebody who's out there putting other people down, making you feel like you're beneath them, to me, that's a sign of weakness. You know, to follow something like that. These grown women with kids and families, husbands and shit. And you letting another woman tell you about yourself and make you feel like you're not on her level. You know, I done seen some stuff and I'm like, nah. You ain't no friend of mine. You talk to me crazy the way she be talking to her mentees and stuff. Nah, I'm not going for that. I'm sorry. And some women that were like in her circle, they woke up. They woke up. They smelled the tea. They drank that tea, the real tea. And they saw for what it really was. And they was out of there. They was out of there. You know? But it's sad. Everybody's out here trying to get the bag by any means necessary. They trying to get the bag. Yeah, the low vibration stuff. Calling people low vibration. You eating the same food they was eating. If you don't know about that, go look it up. It's on YouTube. Where she just drags one of her mentees in front of the entire internet. In the entire internet, she just threw her friend up under the bus. And her friend is, yeah, all the women are in the background like, yeah, you're totally right. Oh my God. I'm looking at this stuff like, I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. I was like, okay, this is what the world has come to. All right, cool. So, yeah, it is what it is. Only the strong survive. Iron Male introduced me to trading. Now I'm a straight dog with it. Got scammed, led me to being free. You're one of the strong ones. You're one of the strong ones. Some people don't make it. Don't make it. I'm so behind on this chat. Y'all was cracking up. Oh, man. Oh, man. Charlene on that Jerry Springer exposed. Yeah. Man, if you guys watch YouTube, there's this guy who has a podcast called Funky Dineva. He went in on her, baby. And you know what she did? She started talking about money. Oh, well, you know, you're not in my tax bracket. If you don't make as much money as I do, you don't really understand. Whenever people ain't got nothing on you, they try to one-up you because they got money. That's how you know you're a weak-ass person. Because now you got to talk about money. We're not talking about money right now. We're talking about this. What that got to do with our pockets? You know what I'm saying? That's how you know they try grasping for straws. Oh, you can't get me on this, so I'm going to show off on this. When I saw that interview, I was like, shit. Yeah. I'm good. Anyway, enough of that. Enough of that negative talk. Let's get back to the money here. AU, pullback, nice. Nice. Now the pullback happens. See, we thought it was coming here, right? This one was pumping. Now we pulling back. This pulled back. 26 pips. Yes, sir. Let's see the 5-minute real quick. Yeah. So if price stays around this area here, anything above here buys, right? But if price breaks below here, sells. So you want to wait and see what price does in this area here. Go to the 5-minute. Once you start seeing exhaustion candles, or a 15-minute, whichever order you like, exhaustion candles, you want to wait and see. But there's a lot of volume in the market right now. Let's go to let me see the 1 hour real quick. Because this is, see that 9 o'clock candle? That's all I was talking about. That's that 9 o'clock nonsense I be talking about. Just nonsense. So it's about to be 10 o'clock. This should push here soon. So wait, I would say wait for this candle to close. Let's see the next candle does. If the next candle leaves the bottom wick and starts flipping bullish. Oh my lord, look at that. Damn. Wow. Look how hard it went from bullish to bearish on the 1 hour. Yeah, y'all gotta wait. Do not look for buys right now, just wait. Wait for some rejection, exhaustion here. Finally, GU is pulling back. Let's see if gold. All right, and then finally gold is pulling back. So we're getting some movement here. I'm not trading today, guys. I'm not trading none of these right now, though. I'm in gold. I'm in US30, and US30 it's trying to push. She's trying to push. So it's just a matter of patience at this point. I want to keep my eye on AU right now because AU is bugging out with this 9 o'clock candle. So love this show. Good content, funny as hell. Yeah, we be having fun on here sometimes. I'm gonna have to come up with some stuff to talk about and keep you guys entertained, so we're not watching paint dry for 3 hours. Integrity and morals are top tier over here. I can't agree with you calling her a queen when she preys on vulnerable, unlearned people who cling on to her every word. Fuck out of here. Yeah, I mean, you try your best to uplift the black woman as much as you can, because we are beat up on a lot. You know what I'm saying? We take a lot. So I don't like talking down on other black women, especially influential black women, because I may not like how she moves, but at the same time, there are people that do. That's just my own opinion. Other people have their opinions on it. So, you know, I might not, rock with her, but there are people that cling on to her word like she's the queen. She's, they believe in her. They believe in her values, her morals, her ethics. They look at all that. They freaking idolize her. Let's use that word. They idolize her, So it's a sad world we live in, but everyone's mentalities are different, I might look at this and see bulls, market bullish. Some people see bearish. Even with all this, they see a bearish market. So I might look at her and see her for who she really is behind closed doors. And some people look at her like she's Jesus Christ's wife. And she can't do no wrong. So it's the world we live in. There are rumors in the market that Raja makes up historical trades in his MT5 because he owns his brokerage. What do you think about that? I think that's something you don't need to be worried about. I think, who cares? I think, are you getting value from him? Are you learning? Are you taking your own trades? Is your account, are you real trading to your own account? You should be worried about yourself. Who cares? If he is or he isn't, does it make a difference? How does that affect your life in any kind of way? I'm sure it doesn't. That's just how I feel. If you want to be worried about that, you can be. I don't think it's something you should be worried about. If you're looking to be profitable with trading and you want to be a good trader, don't worry about drama in the industry. Don't worry about rumors. Don't worry about none of that stuff. Just focus on your own education, your own knowledge, your own studying. Strive to be better than you were yesterday. That's it. That's all that matters. All that matters. Good morning. Great analysis. Yes, today was a testing day. Been a little rough start for me. It's all right. Going to let the market do whatever and chill out. Have a great day. New subscriber. Appreciate you, Kamisha. Thank you so much. Yeah, today was a patience day. Look at that pullback. Whoosh. Yeah, there is a lot of volume in the market today. A lot. AU is playing on people's accounts right now. It really is. AU is smacking right now. 13 pips. 6 hours in drawdown on US30. Ouch. But that's US30 for you. Can you be my mentor? Trying to get back into Forex. Of course. Whoever wants me to be the mentor, I'm your mentor. If you want to learn from me, I'm here to teach. She capped over there with the demo account. Yeah. Gold. Can I see gold setup? I'm not looking at gold as much because gold is not giving anything right now. Gold is not giving. Her own daughter don't like her. Yeah, her kids, I think both her daughters, they cool now. They patch things up now. But I know her son doesn't really rock with her. Her older son doesn't really rock with her like that. You don't see, she don't post him, he don't post, he don't talk about nothing. Like, I mean, your mom is your mom. You know what I'm saying? You only have one. At the end of the day, I'm sure they have fallouts with their mom, but I'm sure they still love her no matter what. That's their mom. She's the reason they're here. They might not like how she carries herself and the way she, shows herself online and stuff and all that. She's a very aggressive woman. She speaks very, blunt and stuff like that. But it's sad. It's sad. Social media can tear families apart. It's sad. And when you know your mom is about her bag and she'll get it by any means, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You can choose to distance yourself. You can love your mom from a distance, or you can choose to be a part of it. At the end of the day, she needs her mom. Her mom made her who she is because she has a ton of followers, had a business going. She was living in California in this nice place. Her mom gave her the money for the place. She said it. Her mother gave her $20,000-$30,000, what it was for her to go move to California and go start up her clothing business out there. So at the end of the day, she might not rock with her mom like that, but she still needs her mom. At the end of the day, she gonna need her mom. If something come up, she gonna need her mama. So You gotta pick your poison. Me and my mom, we go at it sometimes. We go at it, but that's my mom. I'll stand in front of a bus for her. That's my mom. Gotta be there for your mom and dad, you know? Honor that parent. You don't have to agree with everything they do, but the way you read candlesticks is game changing. Do you teach that in your course? Seriously? Come on, Jameson. Do I teach it in my course? Come on. Who want to answer that? Do I have students right now in the chat? Who want to answer that? Do I teach it in my... Why would I be doing something that I don't teach? Does that make sense? Come on. Come on. Come on. She breaks down everything in her course. Thank you. And I don't understand a question like that. Why would I be doing something that I don't teach? If I don't teach, that would make it seem like I'm keeping things from people. I'm doing stuff that I don't teach. Thank you. I teach the way I trade, and I'm explaining, I'm showing you guys right here. Everything. Really? Thanks for $5.50 for US30. Got it, you got it. Question, you had Q's course, but did it click with his course or somewhere else? A bunch of stuff. I had a bunch of courses. I had a bunch. You don't learn everything from one person, guys. You just don't. You won't. All right. I'm still holding that buy on US30. I want money to pay for your course. Cool. 1,100 people, 849 likes. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. I feel like drinking a banana smoothie right now. I think after I wrap up this live, I'm gonna go get me a banana smoothie from Smoothie King. Yeah, the Swaggy C Day Trader hoodie is nice. Thank you, thank you. Oh man, I need somebody to stretch my neck out because my neck is killing me right now. Oh. You know the Forex. I'm going to join your course. I really feel a connection with you and I love the way you teach. Can't wait to have you, Sandra. You know the Forex market are not allowed in India. That sucks. US30 is in the back of the store at a smoke break, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, C. Russ. Every mentor has a way of explaining things, so it may not click with one mentor. However, a next mentor may explain it the way that makes it all click for you. Exactly. Exactly. On AU, will you draw a zone at the top of the wicks. Nope. I don't need a zone there. Because the market is bullish, I'm looking at price on breaking that zone to create a new high for market structure to continue. You can draw a zone there as a TP if you're looking to take buys from down here. This could be your first TP area because that's an exhaustion area. But yeah, it's an exhaustion area. Hey Charlene, I sent you a DM on Instagram. Serious question for advice. Okay, I'll check it later. I prefer you ask it on here though because I don't like answering long DMs. I hate that when people ask me like, can you help me with da 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 da, and they have a list of stuff they ask me for, and I'm like, I'm not about to sit here and type out a long response on this question. So I prefer you ask it on here, Jess. But if you, I'll check my DMs though. I'll try to check it today. Coach Stormy is quick with the block, quick with the bag too. Your laughter alone will have many buy your course. I get that all the time. Do I have like a funny, silly laugh or something? People say that about my laugh a lot. I don't know. Are you guys laughing with me or at me? Heart of a teacher, I appreciate it. I appreciate that. But sometimes I wonder, are they laughing at me or with me? Do I have some funny laugh that I never know of? Like no one ever told me? I don't know. Yeah. Hey Charlene, I heard banana smoothies help you to trade better with peanut butter and a date inside. I get the peanut butter power plus smoothie at Smoothie King, and I don't get it with the dates. I don't like the dates. It has a funny like tart taste to it. I don't like it. So I always get it with oat milk, and I get it without the date, and I get it with extra bananas and a touch of peanut butter in there. But it's a fire smoothie. I love it. It's very good. I haven't had one in a while, but it is very good. Sometimes I get protein in it. Sometimes. How do you remove hesitation? When you're taking a trade, you mean? You want to have a plan for what you want to see. When you see your plan playing out, execute. Where am I on US30? I am 1500 drawdown. I love how easy you teach. Appreciate it. Yes, guys, I'm in US30 buys. I'm in drawdown on, well, I was in drawdown. What's happening here? 10 o'clock? What we got going on here? Look at US30 teasing. US30, it's literally playing around right at my entry. It just needs one good push, and then we're off. Look at that. Trying to push. She's trying to push. Probably gonna be holding this trade for the majority of the day, if not the whole day. Pretty sure I will be holding it the whole day. You stole my Smoothie King drink. Yeah, it's a good drink. I might go get one. Yeah, before I head to the gym. Yeah. How many courses did you before you start trading confidently? I had like 5 courses. I had like 5. I bought Wall Street Academy. That was my first course. Then I got Lambo Raul's course. Wasn't a fan of that one. Then I got Daniel Savia's course. Wasn't a fan of that one. And I was mad at him when I got his course because I had DM'd him asking is his course good for beginners, because I was still a beginner at the time. And he responded, yeah, it's good for beginners, da, da, da. And when I got it, it wasn't a beginner course at all. he went straight into fibs, straight into this and that. It wasn't good for beginners at all. So I was mad at that. So when people ask me like, Charlene, is your course good for beginners? I think it is, because I actually talk about, you know, candlesticks and market structure. I really break things down so simply. So I believe that my course is good for beginners. But that's the thing. He might have thought his course was good for beginners. So he told me, yeah. So it's all a matter of perspective. So you never really know how people are going to take the information that you're giving them. So, you know, it all depends. But you want to do your due diligence before. So I had Wall Street Academy, Raul's course, Daniel Savage's course. I got Fibs Don't Lie course. Then I got, I think that was the second to last. Then I got Raja's in person. So altogether it was about 5 courses that I studied. And the ones that made the most difference for me was Wall Street Academy and Market Fluidity, which was Raja's course. And Raja's course, I didn't take his course. I took his in person. It just so happens that he was coming to Miami when I had found him, and I had got a ticket. I bought his in-person class, and there was only like 12 of us in there because he doesn't take a lot of people. Back then, he didn't take a lot of people in his in-person classes, so I was lucky to even get in, and I was able to take it. And then after that, game over. Oh my God. What do you mean by drawdown? I look it up, but not understanding. Newbie here, been on demo trading for 2 weeks. If you've been demo trading for 2 weeks, you should know what drawdown is. This is drawdown. That's drawdown right there. That's drawdown. When you're not in profit in the trade, you're in drawdown. Yeah, US30 is, it takes patience with this pair. It takes patience. That last trade that we took, that last setup that we had caught on US30, where was it? I don't remember it. Yeah, this move right here. I had got in here. I had got in on this move here. And I was in drawdown for a while. I was in drawdown for a minute here. It didn't push up until this time. So I entered it at, what was it? Like right after the stream. So about 9 o'clock in the morning, I think, somewhere around there. And I wasn't in profit until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it takes time. You got to be patient with the pair. I'm holding this pair as long as we hold this area. If we hold this area, guess what? We are still in a bullish market. If we break, which we break this area here, then my buy bias is now invalid. That's all I'm holding on to, guys, is holding on to this area. That's why I have it marked off here. Okay, so assume the risk, be okay with it, and hold on to your bias until the market tells you otherwise. What made you take this US30 trade instead of waiting for a candle closure above the zone you have marked? Because prices inside this area here, we already made a low, we made a high up here. My entry is trash. It is not the best entry, but the market was up here. I didn't know if the market was going to come back and test this area. It's testing it now, but the last time when I entered, what was the trade? This trade, I entered it up here, and the market came all the way down and tested this area here. So you never really know if it's going to test or if it's going to fly. Had I not entered here and I waited, I may have missed my opportunity. So I'm okay with entering and sitting in a little bit of drawdown, because you're not always going to get the best entry, especially on indices. You're not always going to get the best. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm okay with the drawdown. I'm just holding on to the analysis that price is going to continue bullish, especially since we have this bullish engulfing. We have price, it's just testing this area. It's trying to break. It tried to break here, 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 and it tried to break once before here. So once price gets here and the candle closes above here, we should be good to go. So that's why my entry was there. Can you always anticipate price is going to come back and you can get an entry down here? You can, and it would have been great to get that, but I wasn't willing to wait. I just wanted to enter in case the market was ready to push. So that's a lot of drawdown. Not if you know how much money I'm trading with. If you ever start selling merch, I'm buying. It's a pain in the butt, some of it. The logistics behind it, it's a lot. So yeah. Do you offer a referral code for people who promote your course if someone signs up as an affiliate link? Somebody literally asked me about that just 2 days ago, and I meant to look up that, and I haven't yet. I will get that information for you guys, and yes, I will come out with an affiliate link. I will do that. Just discovered you a couple weeks ago. I started breaking down candles how you do. Game changer. Thank you, Charlene. You're welcome. You're welcome. He be playing on demo. Why y'all so mean to each other in these chats, y'all? Buy a monitor so you can place your screen up for your neck. My monitors are adjustable. I can pull them all the way up here if I want to, and I can have them all the way down here if I want to. My monitors have nothing to do with my neck. I don't want to be looking up like this to trade. I like it right where it's at. I have my setup exactly how I want it. My neck is the result of how I slept last night. That's what it is. Yeah. It's going to be another 12K though. We don't worry about drawdown. Yeah. Yeah, you can't be scared of drawdown. If you're trading indices. Now, if I'm scalping, it's a different story. I'm not trying to hold no crazy ass drawdown if I'm scalping GU or AU or something like that. Nah, I'm not doing that. Or gold. I'm not doing that. I almost want to take buys on AU here because I almost want to take buys because if we keep holding this area here and price continues to push, it could, but I'm not gonna go crazy. I already have trades open on US30. Let me see how this is looking here. Yeah, see this 1 hour candle already pushed and rejected. I'd like this one to close though. I would like to see this candle close and the next candle leave a bottom wick and push. So I don't know if this candle would be the best entry candle because it's still forming. It could come down some more. Yeah, I wouldn't enter on this 1 hour candle. I would wait for this to close. Oh damn, but this candle just opened. It's 10 o'clock. It just started. Damn. Let me see the 4 hour. And we're at a high. We're already at market is bullish and we're at a high. So to enter buys up here might not be great. It won't be smart unless price is holding this area here. I would need to see more rejections over there. I'm not gonna push it today. I'm good with not taking a trade today. And then gold. See what gold is looking like here. Yeah, I wouldn't enter on these candles. You don't want to let these candles close. All right, guys, 10 o'clock. I'm going to wrap it up here. We've been on for 3 hours. 3 hours. Charlene, can you speak on risk management? You have to ask me a pointed question. Risk management can be any array of things. I think her account is roughly 50K. How do you know? How do you know what my account is? How do you know? How do you know I didn't deposit money or I didn't withdraw money recently? Right? You don't know what my account size is. Do you risk a certain percentage per trade or is it based on structure? I don't trade off percentages. I just have the structure based on what I see. Do you risk 1% or more? No. Shout out to Swaggy for that hoodie. You guys are loving this hoodie. You guys are really digging this hoodie. I like it too. What's the best time frame to trade? Who can answer that question for me in the chat? What is the best time frame to trade, guys? Who can answer that question? Come on, guys. What's the best time frame to trade? Let me see who answers this question right. What's the best time frame to trade? Not session. We didn't say what session is the best to trade. What time frame? 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily? Which one is the best? Which one is the best time frame to trade? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All time frames. Those of you that put 1 hour, 5 hour, 15, you're all wrong. 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 All of them. Thank you. M15, you're wrong. All of them. 30 second. Wow, you're wrong. All time frames matter. All of them. Thank you. All of them. All of them. 30-minute wrong. 5-minute wrong. 4 hour wrong. All of them. 30-minute wrong. No. If their answer doesn't say all of them, you're wrong. All time frames matter. Say it with me. All time frames matter. Por favor. Coño. There's no one time frame that trumps all the other. Every trader needs to look at every time frame. All time frames matter. There you have it. All time frames matter. Are you in that US30 trade? Yes. I'm in US30 buys. Whew. Thank you for your live trade session. It's after midnight over here in South Korea. I sold gold at 1921. Sold gold at 1921. Very nice. Should be in some nice profit right now. Beautiful. For a sweet 60 pip drop on gold. Beautiful. Beautiful. 30 is the one playing. I know. All the other pairs moving, right? All the other pairs. Everything flew. Retraced nicely. Look at that. US30 wants to fuck around. It would be the pair that I'm in that doesn't want to move, right? So we can have some action on the charts. It would be. This is amazing stuff. Thank you for all the value you've provided today. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Don't be time frame racist. I like that. Yeah. Don't discriminate against the time frames. Don't make the one feel more important than the other. Come on. Yeah, guys. Many thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, guys. Ugh. I'm gonna try some hot yoga this weekend, guys. I did it one time before. It was a lot of fun. I'm gonna be doing some hot yoga. I'm wondering if I should vlog it, but I probably can't because the moisture, the condensation might mess with the electronics, the camera and stuff like that. So I don't know, we'll see. Let you guys know how it goes though. If you've ever done hot yoga, it's very cool. Very cool. 1,000 people watching, 937 likes. We're almost at 1,000 likes, guys. We're almost so close. So close. So close. Thanks, Charlene. You're the GOAT. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Do you recommend any Forex conventions? Of course. Of course. The FX Summit, baby. FX Summit. FX Summit is coming. FX Summit is coming. Is you ready? Ready? FX Summit, June 9 to the 11th, Miami Beach, Florida. Right, car show is gonna be at the arena this year, which is gonna be dope as hell. Dope as hell. Right, just go to FX Summit Official. Go get your tickets. I think the VIP tickets are on sale right now too. Like they're down right now before they go back up. So go get your tickets, guys. Go get them. Cause last year was litty. Last year was litty. You should make a hoodie. All time frame matters. I know, right? Prop firm recommendation. Top tier trader. Top tier all day. Top tier trader. That's it right there. Top tier trader. Let's see here. Let's go. Boom. And go watch this interview. This young lady just killed it on there. Natalia Salinas. Super dope chick. Super good trader. Trades US30. So, if you want to get some knowledge for your top tier accounts, go check out this information. But yeah. And right now, I believe it's on sale. I think it's like 10% off right now for a challenge. I do have a promotion coming out soon that might give you a little bit more off, so just wait up for that, but it's coming. It's coming. Oh, 998 likes. 998 likes. Can we get 2 more? Can we get 2 more? Can we get 2 more likes? Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Oh, 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes. Yes, 1,000 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Appreciate you guys. 1,001, baby. 1,001. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, guys. I'm going to log out here. Up. Up. Come on. My stop loss is a little bit below this, but we'll see. It's 10:20, 10:19, 10:20. So this hour candle, let me see how this is forming here. Are we coming? Are we gonna break this zone here? Are we gonna break? I hope not. Hope not. But if it hits my stop loss, it hits. It hits. It is what it is. But look at gold coming down nice here. Gold is coming down very nice here. GU. Yeah, guys. There was some opportunity for trades on these pairs today, but with news throwing us off and stuff, you don't know. Other than that, guys, today was a good day. Today was a good day. Let's see. Let's see what tomorrow holds. Today is Wednesday, middle of the week. I might not go live on Friday. I might just make tomorrow the last day. I'm not sure, but we'll see. All right, so I'm hungry. I'm about to go get me a banana smoothie real quick, get myself ready for this one-on-one in a couple hours, and just chill. All right, guys, so we'll see how this US30 trade plays out. I'll keep you guys posted on my Instagram how it goes over the course of the day, if I don't get stopped out, if it doesn't break my zone and get stopped out, but I'll let you guys know how that goes. All right, guys, so good session today. We have fun. We had fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Same time, same place. It's your girl, Charlene FX, and I'm out.